right, today we're going to look at the cross-section of a leaf on a microscopic level. So here we have a cross-section of the leaf. We have the top side of the leaf, which is your upper epidermis, and it's got the palisade mesophyll here. That's nice and tightly packed cells. These are all your photosynthetic cells in here. And then you've got the spongy mesophyll on the bottom there. You can see all the air pockets. You've got these guard cells under here that are gonna let air in for photosynthesis when it happens. Now, I need to just move along the leaf a little bit. And you can see here, this is your vein running through the leaf. It's gonna hold your vascular material. So you've got your xylem, your phloem, and your collenchyma are all inside these leaves running the length of the leaf to feed these photosynthetic cells and to bring the nutrients that they make back to the rest of the plant.